You know, it's crazy. It's October and it just hit me yesterday. I have not done a studio tour for 2023 yet. A little bit that's all my fault because I've been crazy lazy and not wanted to do the projects I have been working on, which is why I was holding off doing the studio tour anyway. But we're not going to get to those by the end of the year. So we're just going to do the studio tour now. And hopefully in 2024, I'm less lazy about it. But let's get into it. Let's go around and see what changes to the studio I made, if any, and see what you guys notice. Okay, let's get into it. For those of you that follow my YouTube shorts, you'll notice this from the production graveyard. Here are just a bunch of stuff I need to review or, you know, do videos about in general. Here's 2 more mesh nodes I want to add to my network. Expandable hard drive bay for 5.2s. This is meant for my server, switch, barcode scanner. Coming over here, do we have anything? Nope, just a 6K camera and the 3D printer. And over here we have wires from the office rewiring. Some of the stuff I actually fished out of the trash, like these RFID card scanners I got out of the trash at work, which is pretty cool. So some of the stuff needs to go back in the office, some of it needs to go back into storage. Coming over here, I've still got to open up my 2 Steam, what the hell are these? Steam Links? Yeah, Steam Links. So these are brand new. And here's an RTX 2080 hard drive cloner, which I need to do a review on. Bought this during the pandemic. Never got around to it because I kind of stopped live streaming altogether. And then over here, you'll just notice a whole bunch of lenses from Goodwill that I've picked up. Just tons and tons and tons of them. I gotta really stop buying so many. But yeah, that's what's out here in the main area. Of course, if you follow the fitness channel, you'll notice that this is kind of the basement gym area. So I've been doing that. Make sure you hit the subscribe for that. Don't know what else to really say, but it's not really any kind of like tips or anything. It's just me on a weight loss journey getting ready for graduation. So we've been down here a lot. Let's go to the office. Coming down the hall, we see I have 2 keyboards. These are both optical and mechanical keyboards. I love optical mechanicals, so I got 2 of them. One's EVGA. One is, I don't know what the hell brand this is. Oh, XPG. So I got 2 of these. I upgraded to Windows 11 and these no longer work now. The drivers are out of date. So I don't know what to do about these video capture cards. I'm thinking I might give them away. Coming into the office area. As you can see, looking around, it's still pretty much the same as it was last time. Like I said, I've stopped live streaming, so there's not much audio production stuff I'm doing anymore. But overall, I've been having a lot of fun playing with the server here. This is my Plex server right now. I'll be spinning up a Linux one that will go over here where the feather duster is in the next like few days. I've been wanting to use this. I bought this back in 2020 and never got around to it. It's a monitor calibrator. So I've had it for 3 years now. Never used it, but the fact that I moved it from where those lenses were to here is already pretty huge. So eventually in the next like 3 years, we'll actually bust it out. And then looking over here, oh, some changes actually, one change I did make, I upgraded my Scarlett 2i2. So this is the old 1st generation Scarlett 2i2. I upgraded it to the 3rd generation Scarlett 2i2. And then here I got a 4 terabyte SSD for my video editing because the 512 I have is not big enough. And then these are leftover hard drives from when I was doing the server. So if we come down here, we can see there's all the drives there, but there's that space at the front, and that's where that cage from the start of the video is gonna go. So it's all coming together. There you guys have it. That is the studio tour for 2023. Not the most high octane content I've done this year, but it is something I want to do every year just to show you incremental improvements. Plus it gives me something to go back to and look at what could I improve over time. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hey, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment if you want to see other parts about the studio, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Bye.